Oh, you wanna play? Alright, let's fucking go. You think you're hot shit pulling your bullshit stunts like you're the king of this fucking playground? Nah, bitch. You're splashing in the kiddie pool, and I'm about to drag your ass into the deep end. Keep pushing my fucking buttons, and I'll show you what happens when someone who doesn't give a shit decides to play for real. I'm not the one to fuck with, trust me on that. I'll take your weak ass and raise you a whole level of petty, savage, and straight up zero fucks given energy. You're out here playing checkers while I'm out here playing motherfucking chess. And trust me, I've already got your sorry ass in checkmate. I'm not just playing for fun, I'm playing to fucking win. And when I'm done, you'll wish you never even stepped up to the fucking board. So go ahead, keep playing your little games. I'll be right here, waiting to remind you why you should never ever fuck with someone who's not afraid to burn the whole fucking house down. You wanna see how the real players move? Buckle up, motherfucker. When I'm done, you'll be too scared to even roll the fucking dice again. Keep fucking shit up and spread chaos like a boss.